today we're going to teach you how to use the Celebrity Skin Genie facelift bands and tape. Go ahead and clip that in. Clips in and then you pull it through. There you go. Stick the metal loop through the tape. And you're going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Now you can part your hair on the place that you actually want to place the tape and lift your eyebrow or your jawline or your neck as high as you're going to put it, and then place the tape firmly on that area, and then do the same exact thing to the other side. Okay, now you're lifted. You have your cat eye going on both sides. You see how lifted they are compared to what they were. Long hair don't care. Now I'm putting on my stocking cap and putting on my wig. And you can put these tapes as far back as you like. As you can see, I'm lifted. My tapes are here, and they're virtually undetectable.